So, there's a singer, his name is Paul Rogers, and at 17 he did the song, "All Right Now, Baby Is All Right Now." Led Zeppelin heard that. Paul Rogers formed Bad Company. Led Zeppelin signed Bad Company to their label, and this is one of the hits off of that Bad Company label. This is called Seagull. Seagull, you fly across the horizon into the misty morning sun. Nobody asks you where you are going. Nobody knows where you're from. Here is a man asking the question, is this really the end of the world? Seagull, you must have known for a long time the shape of things to come. Now you fly through the sky, never asking why, and you fly all around till somebody shoots you down. La da 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 dum dum. Ay 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 ay. Ay ay ay. Seagull, you fly across the horizon into the misty morning sun. Nobody asks you where you are going. Nobody knows where you're from. Now you fly through the sky, never asking why, and you fly all around till somebody shoots you down. La da 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 da. Ay 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 ay. Ay ay ay. Seagull, go on and fly, and you fly away today, and you fly away tomorrow. Lead me to my sorrow.